Magic 9 Pro White Special Edition just launched before few days ago. Fast refresh rate, full screen display, superb in design, huge battery, fast charging and many more. Today I am going to show you unboxing and first impression of Red Magic 9 Pro White Special Edition. Hey guys, Mikey from Tech Makey. Please consider the subscribing and turning on the notifications by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech videos. Let's now get to the unboxing. The Red Magic 9 Pro comes in a shiny silver package with designs of clouds and dragons. This version celebrates the year of the dragon and has an antique feel to it. Inside you'll find a white 80-watt GAN charger and white Type-C cables. Even the SIM card ejector array has been specially customized to match the theme. Plus, it includes the original protective case. Let's check out today's star, the Red Magic White Special Edition. At first sight, it looks quite different. Not like your typical gaming phone. It has a pure white back, and the flat lens looks really nice. When light hits it, you can see the texture of auspicious clouds and dragons. Other features are quite familiar to us. All the edges and configurations are designed for gaming. It includes an advanced 3.5mm headphone jack. The body is a bit heavier and thicker, but we believe it's the standard model. This is because it boasts a large battery capacity of 6,500 mAh, so it makes sense that it's a bit thicker and heavier. Turn on the phone to check out the screen. It features the new Tamron white theme. There are no cutouts on the front at all. I put on the original protective case, which has a magnetic ring to attach more heat sinks. When playing the new version of Genshin Impact, there's no pressure even at 60 frames per second in high quality. The frame rate stays stable throughout, which is great for gamers. After 30 minutes, the temperature remains positive. The color scheme of the new version looks great. It's also important to compare it with competitor models. Let's begin. So what you guys think about it? Tell us your thoughts in the comment section below. If you have any questions, also give this video thumbs up, and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, as me signing off, thanks for watching. Have a great day, and keep smiling, and I will see you in the next one.